Hi guys, welcome to the Forex channel. I'm super excited to bring you guys to this wonderful new bull market strategy. This strategy is very easy and is a quick strategy you can use to milk this bull market. This bull market is a easy market to trade, and with the right strategy and right technique, you can be killing this bull market massively. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also gonna post notification so that upon strategy you guys be aware. And also I want you guys to quickly know that we are currently running account management. So if you have $10 upward, we can manage your account for you, and then we share profit. So if you want to contact us, just text us on WhatsApp, right at at the number at the top. Then we do account management for you. So without wasting more time, let's quickly dive into it. Let's quickly dive into this today's strategy. And also remember to join my Telegram channel. Where my Telegram channel is totally for free, and it's a lot of signal dropping right here. So make sure you join it out. So now you can see what this is trade I currently running into. So this is trade I use strategy to trade, and in figure out you can see my profit in a $100 profit with the $100 account. This is my own personal account. So stay tuned with me to the end of the video, guys, because I'm going to give you the step and how you guys can make use of strategy effectively. So make sure you stay tuned so you won't miss anything right with the strategy. Now you might be wonder how this look like this. So I'll be first delete everything up, and then we start from scratch. Now you can see I have a clear chart now. So what you have to do is just click on this icon right at the top. Click on this icon right at the top. Now after clicking on it, then add your moving average. Now the first moving average we are going to add is this is parameters. So the period is 5, shift 0. Method is simple, apply to closed, and the style is 2 pixel. So you can choose the color of your choice, but I prefer to use blue. So once you set everything up like this, then click on done, and then you have your moving average. Now the second indicator we are going to be adding, click on the icon at the top. Then we are going to add our second indicator, which is the moving average. So now this is the moving average parameter. The period is going to be 15. The period is going to be 15, shift 0. Now the method is exponential, apply to close as well, and then the style is going to be red. So after set everything up like this, then click on done, and you have your moving average set up. Now the last indicator we are going to be adding, now click on this icon right here. So click on the icon right there. Then after clicking on it, we are going to scroll down and add your some oscillator. So add your some oscillator. This is the parameters. The language is 2 pixel, and you can see you can choose color of your choice. Then after set everything up like this, click on done, and you have your some oscillator right there. So now let me quickly show you guys how you can make use of the strategy. It's very quick and is very simple, guys. This strategy is you can make your strategy effectively. There's no drawdown with this strategy. Now this is what you have to do. This is a 1 minute time frame. I'm going to be using strategy on 1 minute time frame. Now let's say you want to let's say you want to catch from let's say you want to scalp the market. You want to take 10 to 5 candle, and then we leave the trade. Now this thing you have to first figure out. Then the first thing you have to do is you have to let your moving average. You can see what exactly happened right here. Now let me zoom in so you guys can see. Now that's not the zoom level. I just want to zoom so you guys can see it more clearly. You can see what the moving average does right here. You can see a crossover happen at that area. You can see, and you can also see right here the changing of volume and on this some oscillator. That is the strategy, guys. That is strategy. Now you can see the moving average crossing over each other at the price. When the price is trending to the top side, you can see it crossing over, and you can see what changing of volume. changing of volume happening in what happening in the awesome oscillator. So that is how you guys can make sure. We have to wait for the what correction over the moving average and the changing of volume what in the awesome oscillator, guys. So now that's how you can what that can use strategy to what to scalp. You take 5-10 candles and you leave the market, you close your trade, and then you wait for another opportunity. Now if you want to use this strategy to also catch some spike, if you want to use it to catch some spike, now you can see to catch a spike with this strategy, you're going to need this. You want to need this to catch some spike. You are going to need this. Now the first thing you are going to need is you have to figure out where the market trend, which market trend mostly. Now let's say you can see right here, you can see how long this market trend right here. And when crossover happen right here, you can see it start spiking to the downside. So you have to first see the market create a lot of trend, and then what you have to wait for is we have to wait for a crossing over right happening at the moving average, and you have to see a awesome oscillator changing in volume, guys, changing in volume. Then you take your trade, you enter. You are not catching one spike, you are catching multiple spike, guys. You are catching multiple spike. So that's how you guys can make use of the strategy. You can see how this trend. So now you can see how effective the strategy on crash. Now let me show you guys how you can make some strategy on boom. Now let me show you guys how you can make use of strategy on boom. Sorry, my network failed, so I have to go where there's network. So I have to just do some things on my MiFi. So I'm back now with discussion. So now let me show you guys how you can make use of strategy on boom. Now, so this is how you guys can make use of strategy on boom. This is how you guys can make use of strategy on boom. So now this is how you guys can make use of strategy on boom. So now let's say you want to scalp on boom. Now you have to first figure out one thing. You have to first figure out where the market trend. In the market, sorry. Now we want to scalp. So I'm talking about spike. So let's also talk about how you can use strategy to scalp. Now you can see what happened exactly right here. Now you can see a crossing over happen right at this area, which means that the blue moving average crossing over the red one, and then you can see changing of volume on the RSI. Now this is what you have to know when if you want to scalp on crash. You have to see that your awesome oscillator is at the downside. You want to scalp on crash, and if you want to catch spike, it's going to be at the top side. Now on boom, it has to be the awesome oscillator have to be on in the top side. So and then you have to wait for a crossing over right at the moving average and changing the volume in the awesome oscillator. And then if you want to now let's say you want to catch spike right now. Let's say you want to catch spike. So let's say you want to catch spike. Now you have to first see the market creating a long downward movement. Now after the market creates a long downward movement, then you have to see a changing of volume right at this awesome oscillator, and you have to wait for a spike to close above right at this right at the moving right at the price. Then you take your trade and you catch some spike. You can see you can catch this long spike, and then you are out of the market. You can see same thing right here. Changing of volume, and then you can see if a spike of first occur and the market changing its direction. Now you can see the spike the three spike, and then that is it, guys. You can see a multiple spike happen right here. You can see this is right here, and this is what happened. You can see a lot of spike. So you can make use of strategy. As I explained to you guys, you can you make a fortune. You can also make this huge amount of money that I make on this boom and crash. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also turn on post notification whenever I post a strategy. you guys be what? You guys be aware. Also, guys, remember we are doing account management and we have our Telegram channel, which is free signal. You can join our Telegram channel for free. Link in the description below. Join that what in our Telegram channel, and we offer account management $10 upward. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.